scholarship fund. Right, number one. Understand? Number one is scholarship fund. Then third one says we have to prepare accumulated fund. Third one. Second one, income statement. Right? Opening accumulated fund. Why lama accumulated fund change? Because of surplus or deficit. Therefore, let's assume surplus. If there's deficit, you have to deduct it. We don't know. Then you have to calculate closing accumulated fund. Closing accumulated fund. Then prepare the income statement, small income statement, like income minus expenses. Small one, around 10 rules. Write down the period and all the things. I will write down only income statement. Income minus the money expenses. Right. Please take the workings separately. Workings. Don't do. Please do with me with the explanation. No? Right. Finish. Right. Finish. First of all, record the opening balances of accumulated fund and in thousand, accumulated fund and scholarship fund. Please record the balances. Balance brought forward, opening balance and accumulated fund balance. Please record it. Opening balances. How much the opening balance? Accumulated scholarship fund 450. Right, 450. Accumulated fund opening balance 2700. These things given in opening balances, right? Can you see the blue colors here? Yeah, blue color. Okay, right? Right. Right. Hurry. Now, right, look at here. Now we recorded Lamai. Please tick opening balances. Tick the record opening balances. Now don't worry about the other balances. Comes to the receipt journal. Now starting from here. Right. Now, first one given Lamai subscription received. Subscription Lamai received. Then can you tell me subscription received? The subscription, what is the information related to this one? Subscription. Subscription lamai normally it should be what? Subscription income. Normally you have to record here subscription income. Subscription income. Clear? But lamai questions given. Question given what? Received amount. Receipt means lamai received. Can you record received as received subscription received as an income? Can you record? No, lamai. No, received amount you can't record. So you have to calculate subscription income. Look at opening balances. Look at opening balances. There are opening subscription receivables, right? Closing receivables, opening in advance, closing in advance. Therefore, so we have to prepare lamai under workings. Member fee account. Member fee account. Clear? Through the member fee account, you have to calculate what? Through the member fee account, you have to prepare what? You have to calculate member fee income. Understood? Therefore, look at the opening balances. I'm not going to share the screen. Look at the, please record opening receivables. Please record opening receivables. This screen එක පෙන්නද්ද? පේනව නේද? මේ මේ record the opening receivables. I will write down January 1st. Subscription receivable. Look at the opening balances, beginning of the question. I think 600. Opening receivables. Opening in advance. Subscription in advance balance. Look at opening balances. 450. Look at closing balances. Please record close. Then keep in mind in advance balance carried down here. December 31st in advance. How much the in advance balance? 550. Liability normally comes from credit side, but you have to carry it down here. Opening, closing receivable. Closing receivable balance how much? 500. Receivable means debit balance normally brought forth here, but carried down from the here credit side. On a record, opening, receivable, and closings. But now, how much the receipt? How much the receipts? How much the receipts? Receipt, debtor receipts, sorry. Member fee receipts, how much? 1500. Where we have to record? Debit side or credit side? Subscription receipt, where we have to record? Debit side or credit side? Credit. Why? Then normally my cash account, what happened? Cash account when receive debit, therefore here credit. Here me credit. Balance the account and get the income from here. Make subscription incomes come from here. Understand? Get the income and tell me. 2450. 2450. Subscription 1300. Okay. 1300. And that amount you have to record on the income statement. Right. Record it. Under workings, you have to prepare this one. Right, finish. Okay, understood. Right, now next one. No? Okay, then now here closing balances normally recorded under SOFP, current liabilities, current asset. But here no need to record it because no need to prepare SOFP. No need to record. Right. Okay. Now I'll move. Then please put ticks in terms of considered values. 1500 considered. Right. Opening balances received in advance, subscription. These things considered. Please put tick if you have printed tunes. Right. Okay. Then moving to the next one. Donation for scholarships. This is what lamai receipts. Now, please tell me donation means definitely what? Donation means definitely special donation. This is related to them previously I explained. Cash received to purchase for provide scholarships. So physical assets receipts. What do you think? Scholarship, school bags, shoes, books, pen, pencils. No. Therefore, those things received in physical as physically or cash received. What do you think? What do you think? Please write down this one. No? Write down this one. No? Please tell me cash show scenario number 1, first one, no? What? What more? Yeah, cash received to purchase what here not motor vehicles, scholarships, right? Scholarships. But definitely cash ni. Cash, but fund. What should be the fund? Please tell me what should be the fund. Cash received now. Cash received now. If cash received, fund should be donation fund or related project fund. Name as related project. Scholarship fund. Me already me given. And therefore here what? Scholarship fund. Clear? But now there's balance. Already balance. Balance now 450. Already there's a balance. Right. Now, what's the double entry? Cash received how much? Cash received, understand it? Cash received 1600. When cash received 6,300 cash asset increase and fund, you have to credit it to the fund. Therefore, can you tell me the double entry for this one? Can you tell me the double entry of this one? What is the double entry? Cash debit. I'll put record number 1. No? Cash debit 6,300 scholarship fund, not donation fund, scholarship fund credit 6,300, and that's the double entry. Clear? But lamai then questions given receipt and payment account, which means cash account. This is lamai already what? Already recorded. Right? This is all debit entry already recorded. That's why questions given under receipts. 6,300 given under receipts, which means debit entry already recorded, but we have to record what? This credit entry. Record it under scholarship fund. Understood the right? I'll do the question with the explanation, right? Not the answers, right? You can refer the answers to marking scheme. I'll explain how to get, and this explanation will help you to do future questions. Any questions? Write down all the things. Write down. Okay, understood the සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ. ඒ cash receipt එකේ මේක තියෙනවනේ. ඒතර ඒක තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මේක දාන්න ඕනේ. මෙන්න මේක තමයි දාන්න ඕනේ. Okay? Clear? Okay, though. This is a little confused. That's why I'll take more time to explain. The account equation and other things very easy. Right. Okay. We'll finish. Look at the next part. Next one. Keep. There's a small adjustment. Right. Let's move into the next one now. Right. Please put tick here. Right. Now, receipts on the musical show. Highlight the word musical show. Therefore, my musical show. Therefore, musical show means extra activity. Right? Musical show. So, we have to calculate my profit of the musical show. Right? Musical show. Using this small information, few information. Therefore, you have to calculate profit of musical show. Clear? Profit of musical show. I'll write down here show. Musical show. So you have to calculate that one under workings. No need to prepare income statement. Just income and expenses. Right? Income and expenses. Right. I'll erase this one. Please write down here under workings. Calculation of profit. Very easy. This one. Okay. Profit of musical show. Clear? Profit of musical show. Write down here income. No need to be paying income statement, just income minus expenses. right? Therefore, musical show related items considered to calculate profit. Clear? Right. Now, what's the receipts? First one, please tell me what's the receipts. First one, musical show මොකද තිබ්බේ first one. What's the receipts? First one, ticket sales, no? Ticket sales. Ticket sales now 1000 from the selling tickets 1100 received, but look at, are there any receivables and anything end of the period? Cash receivable from sponsors ne musical show. No any receivables, then total amount lamai considered as income. If they are receivable, you have to add that one. Me receivables, selling tickets, ticket sales 1100. No any issues. Can you see the board? මොකක්ද වෙනවනේ? blue color එක පේනවද? brightness අඩු කරන්න. හරි. Okay නේ. Next one, sponsorship, cash received from sponsorships, sponsors. Then when you are going to lamai organize, right? Organize lamai sponsor any school commerce day, right? Sponsors you can get from other like businesses. Therefore, sponsorship will be income or expenses for the musical show. What do you think? Sponsors receive. What do you think? Sponsors, income or expense? Income, right? But income, therefore sponsorship income. But look at, are there any receivables from sponsorship? Sponsorship. Look at, are there any receivables? Look at opening balances. Yes, we highlighted any end of the period no opening balance, receivables 600, but during the period received 400. Therefore, income recognized 400 received cash, but another 600 what happened? Should be receivable. 400 received, 600 receivable. Therefore, how much should be the total sponsorship income? How much? 400 හම්බුණා, තව 600 හම්බෙන්නත් තියෙනවා. Then according to accrual basis we have to consider total received or not. 1000 rupees. 1000. Understand? Received and receivable. Please put tick mark to the 400 and 600 in the question. Okay. Understand it? Right. Now next one. Interest received from fixed deposit. Interest. Interest now only received. Look at, are there any interest receivables? Interest receivable 100. Another 100 should be receivable. Received for 800. Therefore, please tell me interest income should be how much? Received 800. Another 100 should be receivable. What do you think? Interest income should be how much? Interest income should be how much? 900. Received 800, closing receivables. Another 100 should be receivable. You have to consider total 900. Clear? Please tick closing receivable balance in the question. Ticks down low, yeah? Clear. Okay, any questions? Right, next one. Right, okay. Next one. Payments for my scholarships. Now payment. Now please tell me, this is the scholarship. This is the scholarship. Therefore, when payments, like when purchasing motor vehicle, cash decrease, cash credit, motor vehicle asset increase. Therefore, here 1800 paid for scholarship. Therefore, cash asset, what happened? What happened to the cash asset? Cash asset decreased, but increase what? Scholarship Scholarship, then here motor vehicle asset, non-current asset. Building a building asset. Here what? Scholarship asset or scholarship what? It should be scholarship. Can you identify scholarship? You have provided shoes, pencil, pen, books, all the things for students, for school students, any free of charge. Therefore, it becomes, can you identify as a scholarship asset? Well, lamai pot pencil deddi. What? A little bit difference, huh? You have to think. But the motor vehicle purchase, the motor vehicle asset increase. Here what? Motor, not motor vehicle, here scholarship. Right? You have to think, huh? Now. Therefore, here what lamai? It becomes scholarship what? Asset the scholarship expense. Clear? And scholarship expense increase. Understood? Scholarship expense. Therefore, can you create the double entry for that one? Make scholarship what? Scholarship expense debit 1,800, cash credit 1,800. 1,800. Clear? Therefore, lamai we cash entry lamai already recorded, huh? Already recorded. Which is already recorded because cash payment record unfamous, but this debit entry lamai you have to record as an expense. Under expense. You have to record as expense 1,800. But there's another entry. Did you remember when purchasing or when spent cashes from the donation, equal amount what we have to do? Equal amount what we have to do? Equal amount what we have to do? And equal amount we have to do what? And we have to recognize as an income. When purchase here, you have to deduct 1,800, right? And should be recognized as an income. Understood me? Donation income. Can you create the double entry now? Can you create the double entry? Third one. Can you create the double entry for third one? Can you tell me? What? What is double entry? Income. Equal amount transferred to the donation income from the fund. What? Donation or scholarship fund decreases, debit. Donation fund debit. Donation fund debit 1,800. Donation income credit 1,800. Both you have to record it there. Both entries you have to record. Clear? Right. Make donation fund debit here. Donation income here. 1,800. Understood the understood now? Clear? Right? Huh? Now finish. Huh? Write down all the things. Huh? Right. Now, okay, the any issues? Oh, no, I explained with the double increase, huh? Right, okay, neither. Right, small question, no? Right, next one. Let's complete the office expenses 575. Look at, are there any accrued office expenses? No, record under expenses. Record on. This is some musical show expense. Record under musical show. This one. Right, office expenses here. No any accrued 575. Musical show expenses here. $700. No any issues. Directly record. Right. Next one. Purchase office equipment. Office equipment normal current, but like 2,500. So what we have to do here now? Look at, there were no any disposal of office equipment during the period, right? During the period. So look at here, office equipment like carrying amount. Office equipment carrying amount. Opening balance is 500, closing balance 2,750. Therefore, here what we have to do? What we have to do here? We have to identify depreciation, because questions given directly carrying amount. Therefore, depreciation already deducted. Here, not the non-profit lessons, we are not going to record accumulated depreciation separately. Total, right? Right, total office equipment, office equipment opening balance, how much? 500. Right, office equipment closing balance 2,750. Clear? But during the period purchase, additions, additions, how much additions? Purchase, purchase 2,500. Look at 2,500. But close total should be normal 3,000. But closing balance was 2,750. What's the difference here? Why decrease value? Decrease because of why? Depreciation. Clear? Because of depreciation. Now record 250, no? Depreciation 250. $250. Okay, okay, right? That's all. So next one, my fixed deposit amount 6,000, 6,000, right? No any adjustment, 6,000. Okay, no any adjustment, 6,000. April 1st. Here question says annual interest rate is 20%, and if you have calculated 20%, 6,000. Look at how many months? April 1st. Interest 6,000. Look at 20%. 20% in 9 months. 9 months, because April 1st to December 31st accounting period. We have to calculate 9 months. Therefore, total interest income should be 900. Already recorded. Received 800, receivable 100. No any issues. Okay, right? No need to do anything. No need to do anything. Now you can complete the lesson question. Calculate the profit of musical show. How much the profit of musical show? 1,400. Record it here. 1,400. Get the surplus. 2,625. How much the surplus? 2,775. This is the surplus. This is the surplus. Right. Record the surplus under accumulated fund 2775. Closing balance 5475. That's all. Then balance the account, accumulated fund, scholarship fund. $6,750. Here 4,950. $4,950. Okay, that's all. Then here the extra activity ne, the scholarship fund means normally, right, it becomes scholarship expense here, right? If you purchase motor vehicle asset debit ne, but here you have to recognize scholarship expense. Understand? I erase that one, right? I explained previously, right? Cash decrease if motor vehicle purchase, motor vehicle asset, but here am I purchase providing scholarship ne, therefore it should be recognized as scholarship expense, right? But this is not extra activity, right? It's expenses of musical show, all the things you have to separately calculate and identify the profit and record the profit on the income statement of the club, right? Scholarship means like I explained now previously. Okay. Okay. Any question? Any questions? Understood? A special fund and then previously special fund. If you purchase motor vehicle, motor cash credit, motor vehicle debit. Here am I expense for scholarships. That should be recognized as an expense, scholarship expense. Harid, right, please tell me. Let's do the remaining two questions. Prime entry books and next one. Very easy. Yeah?